Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Infiniti Q50 battery. Before starting, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is securely parked with the ignition turned off and the emergency brake engaged. It is crucial to wear safety glasses and protective gloves to shield yourself from potential hazards. The battery is usually located under the hood on the passenger side, often hidden beneath a plastic cover or shroud. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the battery terminals. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. It is absolutely essential to remove the black negative cable first to avoid any accidental electrical shorts. Once the negative cable is safely out of the way, proceed to loosen and remove the red positive cable from its terminal. Ensure both cables are clear of the battery. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery itself. First, locate the battery hold-down bracket, which is typically secured by a 10mm bolt. Loosen and remove this bolt, then take out the entire bracket. This frees the battery from its mounting. Remember, car batteries are quite heavy, so use both hands and lift it straight up and out of the battery tray with caution to prevent any strain or drops. Before installing your new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and cable terminals, removing any corrosion for optimal contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray and secure it tightly with the hold-down bracket. When reconnecting, always attach the red positive cable first, followed by the black negative cable. Double-check that all connections are snug and secure before closing the hood.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.